Today in this video we will show you how to create PlayStation Network account. This will be quick and easy process. Firstly open Chrome, then search Sony PlayStation, then click on PlayStation official site. Now in the upper right corner click on sign in, then click on create new account, select create. Now select your country and click next. Put your date of birth and click next. Now type your email address and strong password, then click on next. After that you have to solve a puzzle. Click on start puzzle. Now fill your city and state name and click next. In this section you have to choose unique username. Then put first name and last name and click next. Now tick these boxes, then click on agree and create account, and they will show your account was successfully created. Click OK. Now click on next. Scroll down, click on confirm. Now you have to verify your email. Firstly open Gmail, then click on confirmation mail for PlayStation. Then click on verify now. Your email is successfully verified. Now go to PlayStation website and click on sign in. And that's how you can create PlayStation account.